Want to catch trapped buyers and sellers in real time? And trade the turn before the crowd? In this video, we'll install, set up, and show you how to trade with TradeTrader Signal, a precision volume imbalance indicator for NinjaTrader 8. Let's start by launching Ninja. Once it's open, go to the Tools menu, then click Import. NinjaScript add-on. Browse for the zip file you received and click Open. NinjaTrader will compile the script and confirm a successful import. Open a chart for the instrument you trade, like NQ, on a tick or 1 minute chart. Right-click the chart and select Indicators. Find TradeTrader Signal inside the SharpWick folder, click Add, then OK. Now that the indicator is applied, let's start the market review. Since TradeTrader Signal uses real-time tick data, it needs to collect and analyze some order flow. We will now see aggressive buy and sell markers, a live summary, and reversal arrows when trap conditions are met. Let's break down how it works, and what it's showing. TradeTrader Signal detects aggressive buyers or sellers stepping in near the bar extremes, but price refuses to follow through. It uses a real-time combo of volume imbalance and spread pressure to detect when traders are likely getting trapped. And if price flips direction before the bar closes, the signal may auto-cancel, helping reduce false positives. Here's what makes this tool so powerful for scalping and intraday trading. Real-time volume imbalance detects extreme buy, sell pressure at bar edges. Spread-aware filtering confirms only during high-friction conditions. Live summary panel tracks aggressive buys versus sells per bar. Arrow markers, optional confirmation arrows based on trap conditions. Strategy builder ready, long and short plots for auto trading. CSV text file logger, log every bar's signal data for backtesting and review. You're in control of how everything looks and behaves. Adjust volume imbalance ratio and spread threshold. Choose your marker characters and apply custom templates. Toggle summary text and adjust its offset. Show or hide signal arrows. Enable debug prints or CSV logging for development and testing. NinjaTrader signal uses smart bar-based logic to filter out weak setups. If the price action changes direction before the bar closes, the arrow may be automatically removed. This helps reduce noise and keeps only meaningful traps on your chart. Want to automate your entries? Use long and short plots in Strategy Builder or your custom strategy logic. These values give you real-time signal access, no coding required. You can get NinjaTrader signal at buymeacoffee.com/SharpWick. You'll receive lifetime updates, full setup guide, email support, no subscriptions required. If you're tired of chasing moves after they happen, and want to see where traders get trapped in real time, this indicator gives you the clarity to step in before the crowd. Trade smarter. Trade ahead of the herd. Subscribe to SharpWick for pro-grade tools, built for real traders.